All right, welcome back. Today, we are going to tackle a system that you probably use. So picture this. You're in the interview, and they hit you with this question. Your mind immediately starts racing.
All right, so here's our game plan. We're going to walk through this exactly how you should in an interview. We'll start with
So we'll break our requirements down into two main categories. First up, the functional ones. This is basically the what. What does the system do? Well, users need to get notifications in real time. It has to support different kinds of alerts, like a new message versus a friend request. And super important, those notifications need to be persistent. So
Remember that whole one-way communication thing? Well, based on that, we really have two main.
And really, that's the bottom line here. It's all about picking the right tool for the job. So here's what our initial design looks like. It's pretty straightforward. Over on the left, you've got the client.
So here's the flow. And this is actually inspired by how teams like Slack build their systems for maximum.
These are the really tough problems that separate a prototype from a system you can actually